Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do a fridge organization and cleaning for you guys. It is in dire need of a clean. It's been an age since I cleaned it out, so expect a lot of dirt and grime in there. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm nothing but honest on this channel. It's not always sunshine and lollipops here. It's dirt and grime. So my fridge needs a deep clean, but I also have bought a bit of organization stuff from IKEA, and I do have an IKEA haul for you to check out. That will be linked in the description if you want to check that out. But before I get into that, I do want to say that I have some blog posts for you guys. I'm uploading on my blog every Tuesday and Friday, so twice a week there will be new content for you to check out. There is so many different variety of content than what I do there on on this channel on my YouTube, but it is closely linked to it. It's still on the mom lifestyle genre, so if you're interested in learning about how I earn gift cards by scanning my weekly food shopping, or a review on local places that I bring Ava, or how I spend my time with Ava, and a range of other like toddler activities, uses for coconut oil, that sort of stuff, I will have that linked below my blog, Our Irish Family. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what's in store in my fridge. So this is what the fridge is looking like. You've seen this before, you've seen me clean this before, but I am going to try and organize it a little bit more this time around. This doesn't actually come out, it's blocked because the fridge door here can't open the whole way, so it's blocked. But this is, you can see down here, all the dirt here, so I'm just gonna have to just jump in and give it a good clean.
young and you were broken, but we did the best we could. So many words left unspoken, 'cause we never understood that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say sorry when it's just for the best. We had it all, we're too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity. Gone, swept away, swept away. I never used to hope you gave the promise make beside me. I'm moving on no matter what. The thing we have will never rust. You and I will stand the test of time for life.
So this is everything that has come out of it. It's the glass, the drawers at the bottom, and then over here, it's at these were the kind of shelves on the fridge. So I'm just gonna clean these out now.
When I close my eyes, I know that we get one chance to make it right. I wish I knew back then how to say you're sorry when it's just for the best. We had it all, way too young, way too young. I'm drowning in our memories with bittersweet intensity. Gone, swept away, swept away. I never used to hope you did the promise made beside me. I'm moving on no matter what. The thing we have will never rust. You and I will stand the test of time for life.
So these things here are going to be like disposed of, along with these at the back. These medicines, these cough mixtures are all expired. This aloe vera has been open for about 4 years, and then this sun cream is about the same. It's been 3 or 4 years. So I'm going to wash everything that needs to be washed. The strawberries stay. And then just kind of get rid of everything else. Over here we have the food that is going back in, but I do have some storage, so I'm just going to try and see how I'll do it. So these are what I'm going to use. There's these 3 glass like boxes, a big one and then 2 smaller ones. And at the back here we kind of have these like plastic shelves. Don't really know what to call them. So I'm just gonna see, I'm gonna play around with the food and see what I'm gonna place where, and see how it goes. So this is it done. So at the bottom here we have fruit, and in here we have the strawberries and blueberries in this glass sealed container. So I'm really gonna love that because I'm hoping it will stop the berries from going off too quickly. Over this side is the same, it's just vegetables that are in there. On the door is the same, it's our drinks. This is now empty, this is empty, and these two up here are empty. And the bottom shelf we have our meats. And then over here in this container, like completely separated, not touching, is our dairy. And they're in like little pots and stuff, so there's no kind of cross-contamination. This wasn't the plan, but I had a bit of a mishap, which I'll show you now in a minute. Up here then we have another one of these plastic containers, and it has like our sauces, like our mayonnaise, there's maple syrup, and then also these like biscuits that Robert would eat. In here we have our ham for making sandwiches. That's gonna, again, I'm hoping stop this from going off so soon because it is nicely sealed in there. And then we have our butter, so we just have like one we use them and a spare one. So before there was an extra shelf, but I had a bit of a issue. So basically the thing broke. So this bit here, I was putting the butter on the shelf and it snapped in half, so I don't think I can use that anymore. So I'm just gonna have to deal with having these two shelves, these drawers, and the side over here. So I should be able to do it. It's okay right now because there's not very much in the fridge because we haven't gone food shopping yet. The issue comes when we have our food shopping, but we'll see how it goes. So there you have it, guys, that is today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. As I said, if you're looking for more information on those storage bits that I used in the fridge, I do have the IKEA haul below for you to check out. I do have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Facebook. I am especially active on my Instagram and my Twitter, and those are the two platforms that I would kind of gravitate towards, but I am trying a lot more on my Facebook as well. So make sure that you check out those channels. I'll have those linked below so you can check them out. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I would absolutely love if you give my video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel if you thumbs up my videos. It just enables me to be kind of pushed out to more viewers, to people that are interested in these sorts of videos. So if you are new here, I'd love if you subscribe. I put out videos 3 days a week, and I put out blog posts twice a week, on a Tuesday and a Friday. And my blog and my YouTube videos come out on Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.